Make sure you stay until the end. People make a common mistake that can cost you thousands of dollars, so we'll share what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Hyundai or Kia with a 2.4 Gdi engine, and if you need to find where the oil pressure sensor is located, how to remove it, how to replace it, stay with us. We'll explain that in this video today. All that will be covered today guys. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, please subscribe to the channel and like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. If you make one simple mistake, you can cause damage to the electrical system and your car guys, computers, modules, so make sure to stay until the end. We'll explain what it is. Also, if you need to buy new sensor parts, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. So with that being said, this is the 2.4 Gdi engine that we'll be demonstrating on. Now, you wonder why we have that computer here, because many of you asked us in the comment section below to share more information about the diagnostics we used on Hyundai and Kia, but it works on almost any car you can think of, works on Hyundai, Kia, and you can see all the other cars. It's a tool that can pay itself off in one-time use, and I'll put the link in the description of the video below if you want to check out where you can get it from. So, with that being said guys, what we have here removed, okay, let's explain now. Let's move that engine cover so it's out of the way in order, okay, in order to actually guys, okay, get to the oil pressure sensor. You need to remove the intake manifold. If you don't remove the intake manifold, you cannot do it. But for any of you that don't know how to remove intake manifold on Hyundai Kia 2.4 Gdi engine, we have a special video that explains that on our channel, and it will teach you everything from start to finish. The moment you remove the intake manifold, you will notice that you have, okay, positive wire coming from the battery to the alternator here and the car starter, and if you touch that positive cable with a tool, you can short things out, burn the engine, computer, electronics, and that can cost you thousands of dollars. In addition, you will need to disconnect the car battery guys, so you can avoid that. But disconnecting the car battery really matters which battery terminal you disconnect and reconnect first, because again, you can burn the electronics. For any of you that don't know how to do it, I'll put a link to a video that explains all that. With that being said, once you remove the intake manifold, check it out. Right here guys, this is your oil pressure sensor. It's located on the engine block, right above the oil filter housing. This is your oil filter housing here. So it's on the engine block, it's not on the oil filter housing itself. In order to remove it, here you have one clip that you need to squish with pliers, okay, and it will come down. Check it out now. The two teeth on the side, you need to squeeze them towards each other, pull down, okay, it comes loose. The other connector, okay, comes to right here. Okay, that's usually installed on the intake manifold. Press down and pull it out. Next, you need to get a 24 millimeter socket, and in some cases, okay, depending on the model, they may come with a wiring harness that you can disconnect here. So if that's the case, you don't need to do anything here. You can just leave it if you want to, okay, if yours is that type. There are two different types, and you don't need to disconnect it from the top as well. From here, okay, go ahead, okay, get a 24 millimeter socket and go on the sensor and get it loose. Make sure when you get them tight not to over tighten them, because you can strip it. It's aluminum engine block and you don't want to strip it. Now you will leak most likely oil out. We may not, because in a previous video we removed the oil pump to show you how to replace the oil pump, so probably we lost all the oil pressure in the system. And this is the oil pressure switch sensor on Hyundai Kia 2.4 Gdi engine. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.